The TikTok Live Center. In today's video, we will be going through what it is, how you can apply and how to use it. But before we get into the video, can you follow these steps? Thank you for completing those steps, and let's get into the video. Number 1. What is TikTok Live? TikTok Live is a live streaming software on TikTok. You can go live wherever and whenever, but a way of earning money is through affiliate marketing, where a company will pay you a 20% or something like that of the product that you are promoting on your live. And that is a good day for you because you get paid. I think if you use this method, you will gain a bigger following and more money will be earned. Let's have a look what TikTok Live looks like. So when you get onto the home page of TikTok, click the 3-line one, then click on Creator Tools. Then you will come onto this page and then click Live Center. Then it will say how much money you have earned and how many followers. Here are the community guidelines. Make sure you read them. This is the best area for you to find your top views during your TikTok Live. Now go to your showcase and find a product to promote. Here is the page you can do this, and where the top live people are, so you can boost your TikTok account. My product is the custom sweets, pick and mix, but there are so many you can choose from. Every time one of these sell, I get 10% of each sale I get from one of my links or lives. Number 2. How to apply for TikTok Live. TikTok Live is a confusing thing, but when you know what you're doing, you will earn Go in TikTok Live. Here are the requirements to start Go and Live on TikTok. First of all, you have to be 18 or over, and you have over 10K followers on TikTok. But this may take time for you to get accepted to Go Live. Maybe 3 to 14 days. But if you younger, make sure you ask your parents before you go live. Hope that bit helps you. Number 3. How to use TikTok Live. TikTok Live is the best way for me to make money. Just look at my previous bank takeout from TikTok Live. A lot of money. This is how I got my name on TikTok as well though, because I shouted out small channel if they gave me gifts. Now what are gifts? Gifts are what the viewer of the live can give you for doing a good live, or for you to recognize them. Let's have a little look at the gifts. Here are gifts. So basically, the more coins someone sends you, the more money you will earn. So if someone sends you 100 roses, you earn $3. And you are probably wondering where you can find TikTok Live, aren't you? So click the bottom plus, and then scroll over twice. And then here you are the live section. There are effects you can add to your live to make it more fun. And you can screen record your games on your phone and put them on your live. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope this helped, and comment if you have any other questions.